Google I/O is just around the corner, and Google will surely make its biggest announcements during the opening keynote. Hey Gad Insiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google I/O will happen on May 19th and 20th, and Google has revealed a little bit about what it has in store for us. Firstly, of course, AI is the main character as Google plans to share its AI breakthroughs and updates in products across the company, from Gemini to Android, Chrome, Cloud, and more. Though the company has released its initial schedule of keynotes and sessions, but the specifics are still under wraps, with discussions on what's new in Google Play, Firebase, the Gemma Open Model family, and Flutter. Surprisingly, Google has left the Android XR out of the schedule. There aren't any credible leaks, but we can certainly hope to see more details about Android 17 at I/O as developers need a heads up about the upcoming operating system if they want to take advantage of new features as soon as possible, and they get that at I/O every year. As for other operating systems, Google is planning to bring Chrome OS and Android together. This seems to be the project that's being referred to as Aluminium OS, discussed in some leaks this year, and I/O seems like the perfect venue for Google to start showing that off to the public. We can even get some scoops on Gemini 4, VO text-to-video model, or even Project Astra, Google's pitch for a universal AI assistant. And if Google decides to show off some hardware, maybe it'll be Android XR device rather than a Pixel phone or watch. But Google Pixel 11 lineup wouldn't be far-fetched either, but that's most likely to show up at Google's dedicated hardware event in August or October, purposely avoiding Apple's September iPhone event. All in all, these events are always more fun when there's something for us to get genuinely excited about, even if it's something relatively niche like the Google Beam 3D video conferencing tech. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.